So hello everyone. Now we are going to see here a page replacement algorithm. So in terms of page replacement algorithm, we have here a very first algorithm as a first in first out, or we can call this as a FIFO. So in this kind of problem, you will have given us some kind of frames which are allowed to store your pages into the physical memory. So these frames are given into this problem are three. So you should say this is your frame 1, this is frame 2, and this one is frame 3. And what we have to do, we just have to place this given reference string or this given pages into these frames. And while placing them, we should keep checking like are we getting any kind of page hit or page faults. So this term also you should write, it's a page hit and page fault. So if you are getting hit, I will represent that by, let's say, this symbol. And if I will get fault, I will represent by this symbol. So we will go with this, and the very first page we have is 7. So do check in either of frame, do we have 7 present? No. So you will say the page is not present, that's why it's page fault, a page miss, and you will map 7 here into the very first frame. Then we have to consider 0. So 0 is also not present, so I will add 0 into next frame, that is frame number 2. 7 will be as it is at first frame, and again it will be page miss or page fault. Next we have a 1. So page number 1 is also not present, so I will add into next available frame. First two pages will be as it is. It's also a page miss. So all the time we are copying the previous pages as it is into the frame, because every frame can just hold a single page. That's why we are arranging like this. Then I want to add 2. So where I should add 2? So here your FIFO comes, that first in first out. So I will think for the page which came first has to go out first. So out of this 7, 0 and 1, you know that 7 is coming 3 times. 2 came, sorry, that 0 came 2 times, 7 came 3 times, and 1 just came right now. That's why I can say the first element or first page came as 7. That's why it should go first, and rather than that I should add 2. So I will replace 2 here by 7. 0 and 1 will be as it is. So here the 2 was not present, that's why it's also a page miss. I hope you are understanding this. Then next we have again 0. So do check, do we have 0 present? Yes, we have. So I will say it's a page hit now. So 201, it's a page hit. I can write here like this, hit. Then next 3. So where should I add 3 now? So 0 is the oldest page available. So rather than 0, I would say it's a 3, 2 and 1. It's again a page miss. Okay. Then next we have to again add 0. So where we should add 0 now? Just do check, like after 3 what do we have? We have there, I think after 3 we have 0 to add. So where should you add this? So 0 if I want to add, so it's the last oldest page, page number 1. So instead of 1 I will now replace 0. So 230, it will be your the next page or next pages which has to add. So it's not available, again it will be page miss. Then 0 again I have, okay, 0 we have added here. Then I have to add again 4. So where should I add 4? So 4 you can replace by this 2, because 2 is the oldest. So it will be now 430 like this. Again page miss. Then 2 you want to add, so just do check where is 2. So 2 is not present in either of frames, so you can simply replace here 3 by the 2. So I will write here 2. It will be 4, 2 and 0. It's also a page miss again. Then next I have a 3 to add. So do check where we should add 3. So you can just see now 4 coming 2 times, 2 just came right now, and 0 was the oldest out of this 3. So I can replace this 0 by 3. So it will be 4, 2, 3. Sorry, it will be 4, 2 and 3. It's also a page miss. Then next I want to add 0. So where I should add again 0. So you should replace this by oldest page. So oldest page is here 4. So I will again replace. You can just see here. We have how many elements? 4, 2 and 3. So 2 came 2 times, 0 just right now added. You can just see the sequence, and 4 is coming 3 times. Here, let me just change the color. 4 is coming 3 times, 2 coming just 2 times, and 3 just right now added. That's why 4 is the oldest element. That's why I can replace that 4 by this 0. So I will write here 0, it will be 2, and 3 will be again as it is. So this is also a page miss. Then next, I need to add 3, but do check whether the 3 is present. Yes, 3 is present there. So you will write as it is 320 or 032. It's a page hit. Then I want to add 2. So do check. Do we have 2? Yes, it's available. So you can say it will be say 023. It's also a page hit. So this is the one hit we got. This one is also one hit. So out of this total 13 transactions, 3 were hit. So we got some hit as 3. And page faults were 10. So if someone will ask you to just find the ratio of your page fault, so you can simply write here like this: out of 13 transactions, you got 10 numbers of page faults. Total transactions were 13, and the 13 were page faults. So in terms of ratio, you should just add this by 100. So you will get ratio of page fault. I will simply write this is what ratio of page fault, like this. So this is ratio of page fault you will get. Simply you can also find ratio of page hit. How will you do this? Again, you should just hit is what? Hit is 3. So ratio of page hit. It will be what again? 3 divided by 13. Total number of transactions multiply 100. So transactions means how many attempts we have done here. You should just calculate it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So these are total number of attempts, total number of transactions. That's why we have written here 30. So I hope you are understanding this. So this is just a FIFO. Thank you.